publishing data to ACC. So, Tomasz, could you tell me what are the benefits of having data in the cloud?
For me, it's one source of truth for entire life cycle of the project.
But what does it mean for the user? Like, does he have to always manually update the data to the cloud? And what about, for example, reference data, reference files?
No, not at all. Our desktop products are very well integrated with our cloud, and system takes care of all reference files as well.
Okay. But, from my experience, nowadays the projects are made of very different file types, like, 2D, 3D, PDFs, Excel, DWGs, DGNs, you can imagine anything, right? So, what then?
Well, it's not issue at all, because we can store any data and we can visualize more than 55 formats. And not only that, we can also store entire version history.
Sounds very, very interesting. But again, me as a user, as an average user, how can I benefit out of this history of the file?
Well, it's for me about change management, because as you know, design is let's say iterative process with constant changes, and you can compare the versions regardless if they are in 2D or 3D, and you can much better understand how the project evolves.
Okay. But okay, that sounds very interesting. Of course, again, interesting. But do I have to install anything on my computer? Like, how can I, me as a user, again, as a consumer of this data, how can I experience it?
Yeah, answer is very simple. No need to install anything, because we are using the browser, and you can view everything in the browser and understand data there.
But are you saying that I can view a complex BIM data without any BIM software?
Yes, exactly. And this is the point. In addition to that, we can access unconverted original BIM data, which means that, for example, project lead does not need to learn and use any BIM software. We can just easily say that we are making data easy to access for entire team.
That makes a big difference. Yeah. Okay, so please watch the next episode to learn what else you'll be able to do with data which is already stored on Autodesk Construction Cloud.